Most people create Rumble accounts and just stop there. That is not enough. If you want viewers to take your content seriously, you need a properly set up channel. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to create and customize your Rumble channel. Trust me, this is something every new creator should do before uploading their first video. Let's get started. The first thing you need to do is to go to rumble.com and sign in into your account. Enter your username or email address here and password here. Then click sign in. Once you log in, you will arrive at your Rumble homepage. Now, look at the top right corner of your screen and click on your profile icon. A menu will appear with different options. Click on account setting. It will bring you to this interface. Click on these three icons here. Look for channels. Click on it. Click on my channels. As you can see, I have not created any channels. Click on create channel. It will bring you to this interface. This is where you set up your channel information. The first thing you need is a channel name. It is what people will see when they visit your channel or watch your video. I'm going to type in my name. If you see channel name not available, just make sure you do not space your name. The next one is title. The title is like a short tagline or slogan that appears on your channel page. It briefly tells visitors what your channel is about. So I'm going to type in my title. Think of it as a one-line summary of your channel. Do you understand? Next is description. Your description helps visitors understand what they can expect from your channel. So I'm going to paste my description. Next is thumbnail. This is your channel profile picture. You can use your photo or your logo. Just click on select file and upload a profile picture. Next is backsplash image. This is the large banner image display at the top of your channel page. It's just like YouTube banner, okay? Just click on select file and upload a banner on your channel. Next is your social media handle. You can add your Facebook link, your Instagram link, your Twitter link. Do you understand? Now, after filling in all your details, click the create button. Our channel is ready. You can create as many channels as you want on Rumble. If you notice any mistake, you can always edit your channel. So click on the edit button and it will bring you to this interface. So let me add a profile picture. I'll click on done. And here is my profile picture. Then click on save. And that is it for today's tutorial. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up. Also subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next video.